Metal with a memory. It remembers the shape you made it in. If we spelled out Jesus Christ with a wire and then bent it, what you can see here is a spring. I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to twist it and compress it and twist it in different directions. It was invented by a Swede, and he really didn't invent it, but he mixed nickel and titanium together. And when he did, he squeezed it and he bent it out of shape, and he left it on the table near a heat lamp, and it straightened itself out. And he said, gee, the metal has a memory. He didn't set out to make metal with a memory. But this remembers, even though you squeeze it, compress it, twist it, and unshape it completely, it'll remember the shape you made it in.
Oh, come on.
And if you apply heat,
I think you bent it over itself. You bent it over
got
itself.
caught in itself.
You can't overlap it.
Okay? It remembers the shape you made it in. If you made it into furniture, a contour chair, and then you flatten it out and ship 10,000 houses flat to China, or you make them like this, and you put the memory metal all through it, and then you flatten it out and ship the houses flat to China. When it gets there, it takes an hour, it takes a minute and a half to heat them up, and they go back to their original shape. So it means in the future, you can make buildings of any shape at all, then flatten them out and see what happens. After you flatten them out, you have to heat it with warm air, and it goes back to its original shape. So if you spelled out with a wire, Jesus Christ, and you pulled it out and put it on a table, and have a built-in heater in the table, and work a button that you sit back and press it. It goes to Jesus Christ. You can build a following. If you do that. You understand?